Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You're already signed in, so start by opening Viber and going straight to the Chats view. Once there, swipe down to reveal the search bar and the Hidden Chats entry. This shortcut appears only in the chat list. Tap Hidden Chats now, you'll be prompted for the PIN or fingerprint. Enter the code or use biometric unlock. This step proves ownership and decrypts the conversation list, so don't rush and make sure your finger or PIN is entered accurately. Once you've authenticated, Viber decrypts and displays your hidden conversation list. This is why the PIN is required to protect privacy. Tap a thread to open messages. Replies, media, and search within the chat work exactly like regular chats. If you want to move a chat back to the main list, long press the thread and choose the unhide option. Make sure to exit the hidden chat screen when finished. Viber will automatically relock. To finish, exit the hidden chats view so Viber relocks them automatically. Then check privacy settings to confirm your PIN and biometric options. If you forget the PIN, you cannot guess around it. Instead, restore your account from a recent encrypted backup or follow Viber's account recovery process, which may require verification. This is the only safe recovery path. Finally, if anything behaves oddly, update or reinstall Viber only after making a full backup to avoid losing hidden messages.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.